Welcome back to the Morning Blend. You cannot argue with the results that you see right here in this before and after picture. It is a procedure that uses PRP, or platelet rich plasma. That's right, it's actually your own blood.
Last year it got some media attention with the name vampire facial, but there's more to it than just hype. Dr. Deborah Manjoney is here with the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa to explain how it works and why it works so well. This whole procedure called PRP.
Right. Good morning.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah, I always think it's fun when there's like all this media hype about something and then we bring it down local and we say, hey, it's available here now.
That's right. It is available here, and we actually have the medical people in our facility doing it. And that's the important thing. That's the difference why you can't get this kind of thing done in a lot of different places, because it really needs to be done by a medical person.
Okay.
We're drawing blood, and then we centrifuge it down so that we can separate components. We don't use the red blood cells, so it's not really blood going on your face.
So does it even look red anymore?
No, no. It's just, and I think we have the tube there, so we just use the top part, or that clear area.
Okay,
and
it's like a liquid plasma.
That's right. And that's the area that has all the platelets, and now they've been concentrated in that. So we just withdraw just a few cc's of it is all we need, and we use that as we're doing the microneedling technique on the face. And microneedling has become extremely popular. A lot of people know about this technique. And it's a great procedure. We use a little mechanized pen that has little needles in it, and we can make little punctures all over the face, and the results are beautiful even without using your plasma, but this just really bumps it up. So this is how the procedure is done, just a little video here, and we've all been practicing on each other. We're using the plasma technique.
Now, does this part hurt once you're applying
actually,
it?
we do numb the skin first for about 10 minutes, and then we're using the microneedling device. It's, you know, just a little handheld battery-operated microneedling device, and we go over the area. First, we spread the plasma on the face, then we microneedle it, so we're actually pushing it through into deeper layers of the skin, and then at the end, before we go on to the next area of the face, we rub another amount on that forehead, for instance, here.
Well, I mean, I think we would all agree the before and after pictures tell this story. I mean, this is extraordinary.
They really are pretty remarkable. Even with one treatment, somebody can have a lovely result. Right.
I mean, easily 10 or 20 years younger.
That's right. Now, obviously, people may respond differently. It depends how deeply you're needling. Usually with this kind of thing, there's really no downtime beyond the day you have it done. You're pink afterwards. You see a few little, like, puncture marks. You might have a little tiny bit of surface blood droplets, you know, microscopic blood on the face, and then you leave all the plasma on for several hours before you wash your face, and the next day you really can't tell anything. You can put makeup on and you can go about your business.
Do you leave with the plasma on your face?
Yes, you leave with the plasma on your face, because the little wounds, if we want to call them that, from the microneedle punctures are open for probably at least an hour, but they may be open in certain people for 2 to 3 hours. You want to leave it on.
Okay.
So there's more collagen being stimulated, and the healing is quite rapid.
You know how we've been using products with growth factors in it? But these are your own growth factors. That's what the platelet-rich plasma is all about. We're able to provide growth factors into your skin to regenerate the collagen, to give you that youthful, rejuvenated look.
Well, and in the before and afters, it wasn't just looking more youthful, as in the first example. It looked like it worked very well on, say, like acne or rosacea.
It works fabulously. The microneedling itself works wonderfully on acne scarring, the little pick marks you get from acne, because it really does resurface the skin by doing a couple of different treatments.
Are these all one treatment, or are these multiple treatments?
Most of these are just one treatment.
Wow.
Now, we may say, you know, you're going to get your best results with a series of 3.
Yeah. How far spaced out?
About a month.
Okay.
About a month. But you can certainly do just one and see the results and wait and see. And you're not going to see your full results for 6 weeks to 3 months because of the skin rejuvenation time. How long it takes for the new layer of skin to come to the surface.
I feel like just in knowing you don't bring something on because there's a lot of hype about it, or people are talking about it, or some people say that it's good. You research it and you really want to know that it works.
That's right.
And that it's not just something that's hyped.
That's right. We want to do things that are safe, that are effective, and that we think will really give that oomph that people are looking for when they come in to spend money in a medical Teleplasma.
How does this compare, like the microneedling in general, to something like the, what's it called, like a
dermabrasion?
Yeah, like a dermabrasion or something like that.
Microdermabrasion you don't have any numbing for first, but it doesn't go as deep as this at all.
So this is going to be more effective.
Yes, but they're really micro needles. They're tiny, tiny needles. This is much more effective than just doing a microdermabrasion.
If someone comes in for a free consultation, you look very carefully and deeply at their skin using some different methods, and then you give some advice or recommendations based on that. So you can look at someone's skin and say, I think that this type of deep facial might accomplish the goals that you're looking to achieve.
Although this type of deep facial will help everybody. There's really nobody who's not a candidate for microneedling or microneedling with the plasma if that's what they want. But they don't have to have that. They don't have to have their blood drawn. We can just do the microneedling without it and use other products on their skin that will also penetrate very well. This just knocks it up again several notches.
Yeah, and it's natural. It's your own.
That's right.
All right, you've got a great special going on right now. It's $100 off your first treatment of microneedling with PRP. That's the Platelet Rich Plasma. So that's your special offer. Mention the Morning Blend. That's now through August 31st. You can take advantage of that at Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa. They're located on Georgetown Drive in Pewaukee. The phone number to call for that appointment is 262-746-9088 or online at wimedispa.com. Thanks so much, Deb.
Thank you very much.